Alright, bet. Testing 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. Okay. Uh-oh, damn, it's the wrong hoodie. Alright, hold on real quick, y'all. Alright, okay, cool. What's up, y'all? JV here, back at it with part 3 of our training tutorial series. And in this video, we will be talking about social reels. So if you did not get to see part 1 and part 2, I recommend that you go back and watch those. Part 1 was about highlight reels and part 2 was about interviews. And in this part, we will be talking about social reels. So what is a social reel? A social reel is any video that has to deal with social life, social engagement, or even a trend. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so if you made it to part 3, you should already know my number 1 key rule, my key theory to any type of content that you're creating. Drum roll, please. Shoot to edit. You want to make sure that before you're creating the video, you understand what you want the video to look like, so that before you create it, you have the whole plan set up. You can take all the necessary steps to create the video that you want. Right? So for this video specifically, let's take a look at Final Cut Pro. So I'll start a new project here. Probably wondering why I have the City Girls up on my screen. We'll see in a second. So I know that this video is going to be a social reel, which means it's going to be a vertical video. So I shot it vertically. So here's an example of what the final video should look like.
What would you get your spouse for Valentine's Day?
Ooh. See, I'm already the perfect gift.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. Okay, so my ideal Valentine's Day is like a nice dinner in Dubai.
Dubai.
Yes. And then my ideal Valentine's Day gift that I would give to my, I would give land.
Land? She got money. She got money.
Cause you could do anything with that. A house, a building, anything.
Okay, what about you, Adrian?
A gift I would get him, I'll get him like a basket with it, like all like, smell goods and like little boxers, socks, little candy.
Seems like you got this all planned out.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. Let me find out.
But yeah, that's it really.
Okay.
Take me to go shopping or something,
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Out to dinner, like, what's the word?
All right, so boom. This is a little template of what the social reel should look like. So pretty simple. Social reels, they usually have certain elements in it that kind of make it, funny or engaging in a sense. So those elements could include, visual elements like the City Girls, period, me, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so my
And the bing bong.
What's up, baby? Take me out.
You know what I'm saying?
What's up, baby? Take me out.
So those are visual elements. And you could also include audio elements, which is like music and different stuff like that into your video as well. So I actually didn't put any music in here, but I could add it in just for the tutorial's sake. So let's start our project. So you want to create a new project. You could go to File, New, Project. Remember, so this is social reel. Remember that you're making a vertical project, right? Boom. So first you want to import all the clips that you're going to use. So I already have them uploaded, imported into my Final Cut. So these are kind of just the sections that I want to select. And shortcut, whenever you're going through your files that you imported, if you ever want to find the clip that you select by cropping it out, you simply just use your I and O tools on the keyboard, which I means in and O means out. So I, O is just cropping tool, so you could just kind of just go like that and crop it in. drag it into the project. So yeah, let me just do that actually. And boom. All right, so now that I have my clips in the project, all I want to do is kind of transform it so that it fits the screen to exactly what I want it to fit. So again, if you watched part 1, I kind of explained how to do this. You hold down the shift button, turn it like that so it's accurate. And then I typically just go over here and type in 180, which should fill up the screen. And shortcut again, talked about this in part 1. You just copy the settings on 1 to the rest of the files. Command Shift V to paste it. And then press paste. So now all your clips are exactly how you want it.
Okay, so what would you get your spouse for Valentine's Day?
So now it's just about trimming it to where you like it.
Valentine's Day. Get your spouse.
And again, you could zoom in by pressing Command +.
Okay, so what would you get your spouse for Valentine's Day?
Ooh. See, I'm already the perfect gift.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Period. Okay, so my ideal Valentine's Day is like a nice dinner in Dubai.
Dubai.
Yes. And then my ideal Valentine's Day gift that I would give to my, I would give land.
Land? She got money. She got money.
Cause you could do anything with that. A house, a building, anything.
Okay, what about you?
All right, so you can trim that a little bit.
Okay, what about it's a build anything.
Hey guys, it's Dana and
Alicia.
okay, so what would you get your spouse for Valentine's Day? Okay.
For a gift I would get him, I'll get him like a basket with it like all like, you know, smell goods and like little boxers, socks, little candy.
Seems like you got this all planned out.
Like all like, you know, smell goods and like little boxers, socks, little candy.
Seems like you got this all planned out.
Maybe, yeah, you know.
Okay.
Maybe some little money.
Let me find out.
Okay, so what would you get your spouse?
Introduce my own.
This is China, and this is...
So this, I'm gonna just take that end piece.
Day, let's see. Take me to go shopping or something, you know?
What's up,
Give me
baby?
something.
Take me out to
Take me
dinner.
out to- Take me to go shopping or something, you know?
What's up,
Give me
baby?
something.
Take me out to
Take me out to
dinner.
dinner. Like, what's
Bing
the
bong.
word?
All right, cool. So now we have all our clips trimmed to where we like it. So to add memes and stuff like that, you have to download them from the internet. So how to do that? You can use any conversion tool. I usually use YouTube to MP3 video converter. And how that works, you just go to YouTube, type in the clip, kind of searched it earlier, so bing bong, TikTok, boom. And then you just find the clip that you want. Some ads, boom. Make sure that this is the clip that you want.
Hey, yo, we got Byron's Car Wash live from Cody.
And you just copy the link.
Yes, sir. I was feeling thirsty. Your mom gave me a gallon of Henny to quench that, you heard?
You paste it.
He's really skiing the Coney Island
Text this
on a
out.
hard top. What we doing Coney Island, Khalid? Real, son, we keep
And then you make sure
Bing bong.
that you make sure that you press MP4, because MP3 is just the audio, MP4 is the visual as well. Then you click download, boom, it's going to download. So then once it downloads, you could just, you know, drag it into your project. Boom. And just, you know, trim it up to the part that you want it. You find that part first.
Hey, yo, this is the kid.
You can always zoom in to get closer.
Go to my Instagram. What do you want to tell Joe Biden right now? What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner. Hey.
Got it. So then you could just place it where you want it on the project.
Baby, take me out.
You want to tell Joe Biden right now? What's up?
Take me to go shopping.
You want to tell Joe now? What's up, baby? Now, what's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Take me out to dinner. What's up, baby?
Joe Biden right now.
What's up, baby?
Alright, sound like that. You could lower the volume a little bit.
Take me.
So you could also, you know, make this larger so that it fills up the screen.
Take me to go shopping or something, you know?
What's up, baby? Take me out to
Take me out
dinner.
to dinner, like, what's the word?
Sound like that.
Take me to go shopping or something, you know?
What's up, baby? Take me out to
Take me out to
dinner.
dinner, like, what's the word?
Got that, okay. And then same thing for the City Girls meme. Go to YouTube, download it. I downloaded it already, so pretty much just import it the same way. It's over here. You just get the clip that you want. Feel me?
Period. Okay, so my ideal Valentine's Day is like a nice.
Just trim it to where you like it.
Period. Okay, so my ideal Valentine's Day is like a night.
And then, you know, you're pretty much almost done from there.
Period.
So at this stage, you know, it's basically done here. You also want to just add in the logo. And again, everything is in a Google Drive. If you need access to it, you can just drag it in like that. Boom. Put it in the corner. Valid. And then, you know, at this stage, it's pretty much done. If you do want to add music to it, you have two options. You could actually upload it as a reel, and with reels, they have a library of audio and music to select from when you upload it as a reel. So you could do that, or you could actually do the same process and download a song that you want on YouTube. So let's just pick a random song, say Mooney Long. Boom. And this time you're gonna select download MP3 because you only want the audio.
Do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours.
So when it downloads, just drag it into your project. Just like that. And now you have the song in your project. Another tip, B on the keyboard is blade tool, if I didn't already say that. And A is the select tool. So if you ever want to just chop stuff up quickly, you click on B, which is the blade tool. Just add that in there. Kind of lower down the volume a little bit.
So what would you get your spouse for Valentine's Day?
Ooh. See, I'm already the perfect gift.
Period. Okay, so my ideal Valentine's Day
kind of just want to, do an air test and listen to see how loud you should put it.
I would give land.
Land? She got money. She got money.
Just like that, the video is done.
Take me to go shopping or something,
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Like, what's the word?
You can add some cross dissolves to the end. Boom. Just like that, you just made a social reel. So then you just want to export the project, and then boom, you are done. Save social reel, boom. So thank you for watching. You made it to the end of our training tutorial series. I want to congratulate you. You should now have everything that you need to go out and create content. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you create. Peace.